Famous anime fans cannot wait for this anime. Hello, good afternoon, audience. I'm Cinta, news anchor today. Chainsaw Man is an anime waiting for many people, especially anime lovers, causing anime fans excited and some application purchase up. This anime will soon be published on December 6, 2022. Can be watched in various some application and Google sites. Starred by Denji as the main actor, who was a regional student who eventually became a hero. This anime is made because the company is very famous and has the potential to develop in the anime world. Well, that's the news at noon today. I am Cinta permission to say resign. Thanks.
散々な目ばっかあってよ我慢しかしてねえのにまだ人飲みも